Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of Instagram's coolest features, boomerangs. They are great for creating playful moments and adding some extra energy to your feed. So if you have ever wondered how to make your own boomerang on Instagram, keep watching. Let's jump right in. First of all, find the Instagram app. Now open it. Here you can find the plus sign button. Now tap on it. Now open your camera of Instagram. Next, here you can find the option of boomerang on the left side. Now tap on it. Now you can create a boomerang using the record button. Simply record the story or the video like this. After capturing your boomerang, you can edit it just like any other Instagram story. You can add text, stickers, GIFs, or even change the speed of the loop. After you are happy with it, tap on your story to post. And that's it. You have now learned how to create a boomerang on Instagram. It's super easy and fun, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.